In this video lecture, we're going to discuss canonical form. So what is canonical form? Canonical form is another way of representing our Boolean equation. So using min term and max term, it replaces our product term and sum term in our equation. So what is min term? Min term is another way of representing our product term. If say product term, these are variables which are complemented or uncomplemented under AND operation. So we're going to represent product term using min term in an equation. So how to represent product term using min term? We use small m. And to differentiate one min term to another min term, we use a subscript. And we call the canonical form using min term as canonical sum of product or canonical SOP or sum of min term SOM. So let's discuss how do we convert a product term to min term and how to differentiate one min term from other min term. So let's have this example. A naught BC naught plus ABC naught plus A naught BC plus ABC. So we're going to convert this equation to its canonical form, which is SOM. So we're going to refer to this table. So in min term, the variable which is complemented has a value of 0. Uncomplemented variable should have a value of 1. Okay? So for example, A naught, B naught, C naught. So it means the value of A, B, and C are 0, 0, 0. So we need to convert these 3 zeros into by a decimal. So what's equivalent? 0. So that will be our subscript. Okay? So M sub 0. M sub 0 represent A naught, B naught, C naught. How about A naught, B naught, C? A naught is 0, B naught is 0, C is 1. Convert this into decimal, so we have 1. So therefore, it could be represented by M sub 1. Okay, and how about A, B, C? A is not complemented, so it must be B and C. So therefore, the value of A, B, C are 1, 1, 1. And convert this into decimal, and that will be our subscript, which is equivalent to 7. So therefore, ABC can be represented by M7. And also, min term represent a product term that produce an output of 1. Okay? So it means in this equation, all this product term give us an output of 1. A naught, B, C naught has an output of 1. A, B, C naught has an output of 1. A naught, B, C has an output of 1. Even A, B, C is an output of 1. So now you're going to ask me what are the values if it's not included in our equation, in our SOP. So for those who are not part of this equation, the output is 0. So again, min term represents output equal to 0. Product term represents the input that give us an output of 0. Okay? So now, let's convert this for product term. So A naught, B naught, A naught, B, C naught, this is 2. So we have M2, M sub 2 for the first term. A, B, C naught, we have 1, 1, 0. So it means M sub 6. A naught, B, C, 0, 1, 1. It means M3. And A, B, C, M7. So when we write the SOM, this will be our answer. M2 plus M3 plus M6 plus M7. And there's another way of representing our min-term list or min-term SOM. So we're going to use the symbol summation since we're talking about addition. sum of. Okay, so we can use this symbol, summation of minterm list, which are yung the subscripts 2, 3, 6, 7. So that will be the simplified version of our SOM. So we could rewrite our equation. We could write our equation through this manner or through this manner. So we have two options. Okay. So again, this is the minterm list of this equation. And again, minterm list, this is the list that give us an output of 1. Okay. Now, let's move on with max term. So max term, it represents some term. And it represents the input that give us an output of 0. Okay. So what is some term? These are variables which are complemented or uncomplemented under OR operation. And it is represented by capital M and with the subscript to differentiate each max term in our equation. And another term, and the term we are referring when we are talking about max term, when we convert POS to using max term, it is called as canonical product of sum or canonical POS or product of max term POM. Okay, so let's have this example. So function 2, which contains A, B, C as input. So we have A plus B plus C added to A plus B plus C naught added to A naught plus BC added to A naught plus B plus C naught. So here in max term, the uncomplemented variable has a value of 0, while the complemented variable has a value of 1. So, for example, A plus B plus C. Okay, so it means this is uncomplemented, therefore, all of these variables have a value of 0. So A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Okay, so when we add, the value is 0. So we're going to convert this. Okay, so M sub 0. A plus B plus C naught. 0, 0, 1. Convert this into add to decimal. So we have 1. So that will be our subscript. A naught plus B plus C. A is 1, B is 0, C is 0. So we have 1, 0, 0. Convert this into decimal. So that will be our subscript. So we have M sub 4. So going back to our given, let's convert this into POM, product of max term. So A plus B plus C, so 0, 0, 0, it means M sub 0. A plus B plus C naught, 0, 0, 1. Don't forget again, the complemented variable is 1. Uncomplemented is 0. So this is 0, 0, 1 means it is represented by M1. A naught plus B plus C. 1, 0, 0. So it means this is 4. A naught plus B plus C naught, this is 1, 0, 1. We have 5. So therefore, max term list or max or POM will be M0, M1, M4, and M5. Okay? So that will be the product of max term. And there is another way of representing this product of max term. So we're going to use the pi symbol. It represents product. So product, max term, and then the list of values. Okay? That represent the 4 sum term. Okay? So this will be our answer. Either of these two forms is considered correct for the POM. And again, if it is not included in max term, it means the output is 1. Only the input that give us an output of 0 will be listed as part of max term.